Introducing the OnePlus 11, a strikingly impressive smartphone that we believe stand out as the leading OnePlus Android device in 2023. It has earned rave reviews for users and experts alike, and it's easy to see why the OnePlus 11 is not just a phone, it's a piece of art. A smooth glass body punctuated with an integratively designed camera module is a visual treat. The textured alert slider provides a tangible interaction that gives the device a unique character. Boosting an IP64 rating, the OnePlus 11 can handle a downpour with ease, marking a significant improvement over the OnePlus 10T. It is essentially the rival heir to the OnePlus 10 Pro and OnePlus 9 Pro. Holding the OnePlus 11 is like reconnected with a dear friend. Comforting and a familiar device showcase a 6.7-inch Super Fluid AMOLED display equipped with the ITP03 node technology that minimizes eye strain by reducing flickering. It offers a dynamic refresh ranging from 1 to 120 Hz, peak brightness of 1300 nits, and a Dolby Vision support. Among other features such as image sharpening and color enhancement, the resolution defaults to 2412 by 1080 pixels but can be boosted up to 3216 by 1440 pixels for an even more impressive experience. The OnePlus 11 operates an OxygenOS 13, an offshoot of Oppo's ColorOS 13, emulating both aesthetics and usability. OxygenOS 13 is a marked improvement over its predecessor, OxygenOS 12. It's smoother, less prone to lagging, and minimized system interruptions and annoying notifications. The default icon pack is appealing, well-crafted. The camera setup developed in collaboration with the Hasselblad features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 32-megapixel portrait telephoto camera. It delivers more realistic colors, accurate white balance, and efficient exposure compared to the OnePlus 10 Pro. Last but not least, the OnePlus 11's 5000 mAh battery ensures 2 full days of the moderate use. Fast charging capabilities eliminate any concern about the battery levels dropping during the day. Even if they fall to 10%, it can be fully recharged in under 25 minutes. Good stuff.